Hey guys, today is September the 9th of 2013. I want to go over the euro and just wanted to let you know this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. I just look at trend line, support line, and just give you my opinion. So with that being said, let's get into the charts. As you can see right now, I covered and got flat the other day and got in this morning at 3200 and rode this pop and got out at 3265. So this was supposed to be the target, but I never got up there to 3284. That's going to be the 20, and you have the 25% move right here, which is at 3293. So it's in between this clusters of angles, so we're going to see what's going to happen. So I just wanted to give you that support on this angle is going to be 3245, and that resistance is going to be 3260. That's it. Let's see what else we got cooking here. Let me see at the 724 if it's at any. Nope. No, it's pretty good. There's some good space right there to go higher, at least touch 3300 if we really wanted to get some Momo. Let's glance this chart and see what we got going there. Oh, let's look at my spiral level, scalping spiral levels. See what we got there. Let's shut this off. I added this today. Okay, so yeah, so this is the level 3257. We need to we're already losing momentum on there, so we're kind of supporting over here. If we fail this level, chances are we're going to hit 3238. So I just want to let you know that. And this was the resistance level, but it got to 3280, so it pierced it, and then it just bounced here, and zigzagged, and maybe could go and find support here. So we'll see. Let's glance this chart and see what we got going there. Sorry if I'm going pretty fast. Okay, so this is where we at. This is the value area high right here, which is 3251. So it's dancing right there. You're still in chop mode because you're in the mobile band on the daily. So don't think you're out of the woodworks. You need to get out of here and at least hit it here and get out and maybe go so we could get out of here and get higher. But you're gonna have resistance at the 20. You're gonna have resistance at the Cajun. And I don't know what else. And you got PP Woody's monthly right there, and R2 on Woody's weekly. So there's a lot of resistance. This probably would be a kill zone right here. 3284 will probably be, if it goes all the way up there. I might probably put a little short and see what happens, but we'll see. The good thing is that you're at above the 50, so that's good. You blew through the linear regression line, and I wish I was long from 31.33, but I scalped a little something, but lost from the 31.90, but got in and recouped that. But now I'm flat. I'm just watching it because I don't know if it's gonna retrace down. And then do like how you call it A, B, and then go do a C. I don't know. We'll see. Let's look at the big picture. I don't know if anything on the weekly has changed. Let's look at that real quick. The weekly, you hit a Pearson moving average right there as a resistance, and it looks like the R2 weekly too, but nothing really. You're pretty much hovering over the cloud, above the cloud, so you're trying to get out of there. So maybe that is a good sign that it gets out of the clouds, so it could probably trend higher, and maybe test this if it gets up there, if it wants to get up there at the 200 and deal with that moving average. Let's look at the big picture and see what the other indicators are saying. Let's look at what the 12 hour is saying. The 12 hour, you got a nice PPS buy signal. You broke out of this consolidation zone, which is a good, TMA confirmed it. You had a cluster here, now it's on the buy. MACD is confirming it. Mobile is positive. The 50 on the CCI is out of zoom mode, and it's trending with the 5 and the 20. It's a little spread out, but you know it could probably pull back and maybe just push up higher again. Fisher had a little cluster area right here, so that's good. You know, back and forth, and now it popped, so that's good. Everything's pushing higher. That's strong, positive. TTM shortwave positive. TTM short squeeze pushing higher, and this is finally about to get all green, so that's looking good on the 12 hour. We're pretty strong. We need to stay up 32.57 to continue this momentum. On the daily, you hit this Fibonacci level, which was the 37.5. I'm learning this now because I'm so used to the not the Fibonacci, the percentage move. Um, and you're right at the tip at mobile, so that's not good. You need to get out of here and push above and get above the 20. If not, you know, we're going to be back to square one and maybe retrace and maybe, you know, kiss this 50 again, which is 3209, and maybe bounce off of there, you know, but we'll see. TIMA hasn't given you the green signal yet. Mobile is still negative, but the MACD is pushing higher, and this is kind of trending sideways. This is positive. You got the purple fisher, so it's looking good. And you got a hockey stick on a daily, so that could probably give you a snapback tonight or tomorrow. Same thing here. So that's my caution. That's why I'm flat. I'm just watching now. That's positive, this positive, and this is still negative, but you know, very lightly changing direction. That's why TIMA and Thermo are kind of the same. This one kind of Fisher gives you like heads up. And on the weekly, you just turned positive on the candle. TIMA got positive. Mobile is positive. I tell you about yesterday's video, I think, or maybe I don't know if I did, but this was already pulling as a snapback. So now it's going to trend with the 5 and the 20. The only thing that concerns me is the Fisher. I want to see some angles pointing up to confirm that this momentum is still trending higher. It hasn't lost its energy. And this is good because it's still above the 50 and the 20, so that's really good there. And this is trying to push higher. Let's see if we can get to the 50. And we just got positive here. We got a light blue bar, so that's good. And this needs to change too. We need a yellow one here. And on the monthly is pretty much the same. It looks like it bounced off this. That's the 62.5% level, and it bounced off of there. This is kind of trending sideways. This is, you know, kind of trending lower. This is kind of like sideways to up, you know, going up, and positive. Still in a squeeze play on the monthly, and still positive. So right now I'm on the sideline. I'm waiting probably for a retracement if we can stay above 32.57. The DX looks like it got some nice, you know, support. I'm looking at my chart over here. What's my calculations on DX here? Let's see my papers. Support, you got 81.76, 81.70, 81.62, 67. Anywhere around 81.79, and if it really, you know, starts pushing lower, you got 81.31 and 81.34 and 81.67 and 81.57 as strong angle supports. But as of right now, it's at 82.05, so it's above the 20 and the 50, about to maybe bust out of the cloud. So there's some weakness on the euro, but it needs to stay up 32.57. If not, it's probably going to retrace. And looking at my other charts, 32.37 could be a possible target. 32.37 and 32.35, anywhere around 32.30ish will probably be a target if it loses weakness, and it'll probably base there and maybe wants to try to retest that 82.80. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see what tonight's action will do in London's Open, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace.